Hey guys, Mike back for another video. Happy Friday. Today is the final video for the Halos. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that's finally done, where everything was routed. That way if you want to get this stuff done, you can. Now this only applies to 2011 to 2015 SCION XVs, just because our bumpers are different and obviously the wiring is going to be a little different. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the stuff now. Alright, go ahead and head back. Now we're looking for, back here. All right, so on your taillight bulb, which would be the very, very top one, let's see if we get this to focus. The green is actually the positive and the black is the negative. So I have it tapped into there, and you can see the harness right here. This goes all underneath the plastic and all that jazz. It goes all underneath here, under the cover, and it goes into the plugs on the floor. Yeah, as you can see, there's the excess wire, just extra slack just in case. But it runs to the plug in the wheel well, or in the tire well, and it just goes straight to the bumper, and that's it. So if we go underneath, you can actually see the harness come out of that plug. Here's a reveal of the Halos. Got a boom and a boom. So I ended up taking off the black vinyl because the other Halos broke and I didn't want to put the vinyl back on, recut it. So I might paint those black or something next time, just to see how it looks like. But I do like the red still, and they're very bright, so I'll show you a couple clips of that. Well, that's really it for today's video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments about the Halos, or what you can do for your particular vehicle, let me know. Now, these Halos do fit pretty much any car that you adapt them to. The particular rings I looked at were 70 millimeters in diameter. So if you have another Toyota, or really any other vehicle that has reflectors that size. Also, I want to thank everyone who has been super supportive and really helped my channel get out there. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it is, so I really do appreciate every single one of you. If you guys have any questions, comments, feedback, anything else you want to see, let me know. I'm always looking to make content that you guys are also interested in, so if you have something, you know, leave that below and hopefully I can add it in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Stay safe and have yourself a great day.